Hey guys, welcome to DMP Car Design. So today I'd like to teach you guys how to install the side mirror dynamic signal light. This is the way to disassemble the side mirror. First of all, we need the pry tools. We use this to remove the mirror. You don't need to worry about you will break the mirror because there is a hard plastic to protect the mirror. Just use this to like this and press it and it will come out. So this is a hard plastic, so you don't worry for the mirror. And then unplug the cable at this side. Okay, so the mirror is out. And then we remove the cover for the side mirror. It's just put it upright, or you can use the pry tools to close it first. So this is the way to remove the side mirror. We need to replace the panel, become the dynamic signal. After we remove the screw, so we just pull this panel. And you will get this panel. This is the original panel. So for now we will add on the dynamic signal panel to the side mirror. So it's just the same way to assemble it. Just like this. So it's installed, and just put it back the two screw. Okay, now have a red wire or a blue wire here. This is for the blue light, for the when you open the side mirror it will have the blue light. So this you have to connect to the motorized of the flip side mirror. This two is the power for the side mirror to flip, and there is two. This is for the open power, this is for the closed power. So we can test. We can use a test pen to test and make sure there is a correct power. When we close, it's no power, and when we unlock, when the door is open, you have the power. So that means it's the same with your LED light. Right now we use something to peel off the wire to get the copper, and just connect the red wire to the signal power. Black tape to tape the wire. Okay, and now we just assemble the side mirror. And remember, this connector have to connect with this, so just slowly to make sure you are put it in, and then just press. Okay, it's done. And the last, you have to connect back this two wire to the mirror. And just press in. You have a clip sound, so that means it's done. Test for the light, and it works. Open the door, the screen flip.